Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning, Sutton High. Today is Monday, October 16th, and it is a day 2.
For lunch today, we have appetizer platter, popcorn chicken, mozzarella sticks, and broccoli.
For guidance news, High Point University will be in attendance at advisement and lunch today. High Point is a private university in North Carolina. It is affiliated with the United Methodist Church. High Point University continues to be recognized for its commitment to innovation and student success, earning 3 number 1 rankings in the U.S. News and World Report's 2024 Best Colleges edition, including the top spot for undergraduate teaching.
In general information, Unity Day will be this Wednesday, October 18th. This is a signature event of National Bullying Prevention Month, also celebrated in October. The key message of this month and this day is to unite for kindness, courage, and inclusion, and to prevent students from being bullied. Wear the orange band you got last year and wear plenty of orange on October 18th to show your support. Thank you.
In other news, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Many of our athletic teams have been hitting the fields pinked out. New to the school store this week are pink Pura Vida bracelets. Pura Vida is supporting Boarding for Breast Cancer, which is a nonprofit foundation that advocates early detection and a healthy, active lifestyle as the best means for breast cancer prevention. Founded in 1996, B4BC empowers young people to make positive choices that promote lifelong wellness through outreach, prevention, and support programs. For every bracelet sold, $1 will be donated to Boarding for Breast Cancer. Please support this amazing cause.
Now off to Connor and Andrew for today's special.
Yo, what's up, Sutton High? It's your favorite anchor, back with Connor's convoluted questions. So, today's question, what country contains the largest population of birds? Andrew, what do you think?
China.
No. Oh, sit down, buddy. No! The answer is Colombia. Colombia is the most biodiverse country on this planet and has nearly 20% of the world's total bird species, including 200 migratory species, 155 threatened bird species, and 79 endemics, with a total of 1,958 species. That's awesome. Now, back over to our awesome anchors.
Thank you, Common.
Have
Have a great day, Sutton High.